Hello, I'm Delusion Dispeller. I'm hoping this comes out clearly so everybody can hear me and that the picture part is clear as well so you can see me. I'm going to be talking to you again about some defense mechanisms that the narcissist uses. Today I will be talking about what I call nonsense rap sessions with the narcissist. What are discussions like with a narcissistic person? We'll get into that in a minute. First of all, I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and joining us. I don't think you'll be disappointed if you came here to find information on what is narcissism, how does that all work, what can I do about it, can these people change, what are some other personality disorders, and even a few helpful recipes thrown in here and there on some of my other parts of my channel. I have lots of different sections, so I encourage you to check out all of them. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. I don't want you to miss any of my videos. My name's Laura Beth. I am also known as Delusion Dispeller because it is what I do. I dispel the delusion that 1, you are crazy, 2, it was all your fault, and 3, it's hopeless. So, that being said, I have been a life coach since very recently, but I have done coaching actually and counseling since the year 2009. I do have this as well as a couple other forms of social media that I use to reach out to people. And this one is Delusion Dispeller at YouTube. And you can reach me at delutiondispeller@gmail.com if you ever want to email me any questions, or if you'd like a session. I do offer paid sessions. Just contact me at delutiondispeller@gmail.com for that. Alright, let's not have any further ado on this. Nonsense rap sessions with a narcissist. One of the very most frustrating things of living with a narcissist, being married to a narcissist, having a friend that's a narcissist, is that the arguments that you end up with them in have no basis, make no logical sense, and always end up with you being on the losing end as the loser in the discussion. So, do yourself a favor. Realize that a narcissist is just that, a narcissist. You realize that you cannot reason with or have an adult conversation with a toxic individual. They're wired to sound and seem insane, or at least irrational or illogical most of the time. So prepare yourself to come away from most of the talks with the narcissist scratching your head and wondering what just happened. You will experience also being blamed for things that you never did, couldn't possibly have done. You'll be treated to petty arguments over how you made the narcissist look bad or sound bad or seem bad in some way. And you'll find yourself wondering if somehow you actually did do something terrible or horrible that you know in your heart you couldn't have and never would have done. And ultimately you will realize that you are fighting a losing battle trying to reason with and talk and have an adult face-to-face, over the phone, whatever, discussion with somebody with narcissistic personality disorder. In fact, a narcissist will do everything possible to distract you, confuse you, guilt you, and whatever it takes because you dare to disagree with them. And they will leave you wondering why you bothered to even talk to them in the first place. It can be as simple as you telling a narcissist that you don't think that you put pepper in his or her food this time, and you'll find yourself listening to this big long diatribe of attacks on your family, your friends, your dog, your hair color, how you should have never started taking aerobics classes, never gone back to school, whatever they choose to jump on you about to assault you and punish everything that you do and are. That's what they'll do. You dared to indicate that the narcissist was not all-knowing and you had an opinion. Shame and hellfire on you is how the narcissist sees that. The narcissist will go on and on with him or herself And you will have to listen, meanwhile, for them to be done, which will seem like it took forever. They create chaos where there is none, and they become enraged if you attempt to voice anything other than and opposing their viewpoint. Now, this being said, you might wonder, well, what can I do? I do have this kind of person in my life. Well, the first thing I'd advise you to do is get out if you can, safely. But if not, you need to realize this. The way to deal with somebody that is irrational when they're talking to you is to stop expecting them to be rational. Stop expecting this back and forth conversation with the narcissist that you can have with all your other friends and everybody else that seems adult. Stop trying to do that with them. Try not to expect that your viewpoint will be honored or even respected. And realize that in the narcissist's eyes, he or she is right, no matter what you say or do, and that you are there to only agree with them. So simply realize that in his or her eyes, you're there to do their bidding. You are there to tell them they are wonderful. You are there to tell them that you never met anybody so impressive as they are. To give them their narcissistic supply, in other words. So put your energy and your focus instead of trying to reason with these people. Stop trying to make them somehow normal or hope next time they'll sound normal, or if you just say this differently, you'll get a different response. It doesn't work that way with people that are narcissistic. They simply respond almost like robots in the same type of way every time, even though they may not say the same thing. It's always going to be to make themselves look better, to make other people look worse, to make you feel like you're crazy and out of control. So realize the narcissist is a narcissist and stop trying to talk to them in order to get a normal response from them. Put your energy and focus back onto yourself. Practice good self-care. Get into a support group if you need to. See a therapist. Talk to me. And hopefully, if you can get out of the situation, that would be best. If not, you at least need to learn that the narcissist issues belong to the narcissist, not you. Don't allow them to put that on you. Simply look at what they're saying, think about what they're saying, and realize that is just this person's viewpoint. This is how their mind makes them see what's going on and makes them perceive it. This is not about me. I am not crazy. I did not do what they just blamed me for. If you didn't do it, chances are you didn't. And just stop trying to look for something from somebody that can't give it to you. That's really the way to live with a narcissist, is expect them to act insane, expect them to not be rational, and expect yourself to once in a while really need to step away and regroup, because they will try to drive you crazy. That's how they're wired. That's what they do. Anyway, I hope this helped some. As I always say, if you're in a toxic or abusive relationship and it's safe to do so, please find a way out. Leave. Take your children, push for custody, whatever you need to do. If it's not safe to get out, or for some reason you just choose to stay, then you really need to work on you, because these people, their main MO, I guess you might say, is to strip you of every bit of dignity, every bit of identity, every bit of you, your ideas, your preferences, your opinions, your viewpoints. They don't want you to have any of that. You are their puppet. You're there to do their bidding and serve them. It's just how it is. And of course, I'm talking about extreme narcissism, malignant narcissists. There are varying degrees of narcissism, but if you're with a malignant narcissist, you can pretty much expect that every time you're going to get more of the same stuff that they dealt to you the last time. So hopefully this gave you some insight into something that you might not have heard before. If not, maybe it's just a healthy review. That's what I'm here for, to help you. Anyways, I hope this was a blessing and a help to you. I do hope to hear from some of you ASAP. I love my viewers. I love my clients. I love doing what I do. I am a life coach. My name's Laura Beth Colbert, and you can just continue to see more of these types of videos shortly. I got more defense mechanisms to cover on this topic. So keep watching and you'll see more soon. God bless. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon. Eyes wide open, moving forward.